Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best cannoli. First, let's create those wonderfully crisp shells. Start by combining your dry ingredients, then cut in cold butter until it resembles small pebbles. Next, add marsala wine and an egg, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Knead it smooth, then chill for at least 1 hour. Roll the dough very thin, about 1/16 of an inch, and cut out circles. Wrap these around cannoli tubes and fry them in oil heated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit until they are beautifully golden. Now for the heart of the cannoli, the rich, creamy filling. The most crucial step is to drain your ricotta cheese thoroughly, ideally overnight, to remove excess moisture. This prevents a soggy shell. Once drained, combine the ricotta with powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and a touch of orange zest. For that classic touch, fold in some mini chocolate chips or finely chopped candied fruit. Chill this mixture for at least 30 minutes. It makes piping much easier and ensures a firm, delicious filling. With your shells cooled and filling chilled, it's time to assemble your cannoli. This step is best done just before serving to keep the shells wonderfully crisp. Use a piping bag to fill each shell from both ends, ensuring there are no empty gaps in the middle. Once filled, dip the ends into your favorite garnishes, like chopped pistachios or chocolate shavings. A light dusting of powdered sugar adds a beautiful finish. Remember, serve them right away for the ultimate fresh taste and texture. To achieve the best cannoli, a few key tips will make all the difference. Always monitor your frying oil temperature, keeping it between 350 and 380 degrees Fahrenheit for perfectly crisp shells. Avoid overmixing your dough. A slightly shaggy texture is actually preferred. The golden rule for serving is to fill your cannoli right before they are enjoyed, preventing the shells from absorbing moisture and becoming soft. Unfilled shells can be stored in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks, ready for fresh assembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.